Hello guys, welcome back to my video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how to make realistic and dramatic skulls in our image. So let's start the video. Before starting, please like this video and subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos. First of all, open Photoshop and import your images. There are two images which I use in this video. This is the first image, which is an image of a tree. So this is the second image of a sky, and we will replace this sky with this one. So let's start our process, and if you want to download these two images, then the link is in the description of this video. You can download it for the practice. So first, go to the channels, and here you can see this that the first one is RGB, means red, green and blue, and there are separate layers of all the colors, red, green and blue. So first we will hide the red layer. Then we see that which layer selects the more area of our image. If I remove reds, greens is not selecting the more area, the black one is not selected, and the white is in selection. If I select the red one, it's also not selecting the more area, but the blue is selecting more of the area. So let's check all these layers and go to layers. Now make a copy of this layer to see the before and after of our image. Now double click here to open layer style. Now here in the blend if option, click here and then select blue, because the blue is selecting the most of our skies. Select the blues, and if I move the slider from black to white, it doesn't affect it because I does not hide the background layer. So make sure that you have hide the background layer before opening the layer style option. So in the blend if, select the blue. Now if I move the black slider to the blue side, then it will remove the green area. And now if we remove this one, then it is removing the sky. So as you can see, the corners are off. So press and hold Alt key and click here and move it. Press OK. Then as you can see that how quickly the sky is being removed from our background. So drag and drop this sky on our image. Press Ctrl T to resize it. Now drag and drop this layer above the second layer. So as you can see that how quickly we change the sky of our image. Now the second step is to edit these both images. Press Ctrl Shift Alt and E to merge all these layers in a new layer. Now make this layer named as Camera Raw. Press Ctrl Shift A to open Camera Raw and make some adjustments. Now click here and make a curves adjustment layer. Press and hold Alt key and click on Auto. Select the fine dark and light colors. Snap neutral midtones. make its opacity to about 60% and fill to about 80%. Now in color lookups, you can add different effects like you can decrease the opacity or fill. Simply blend this layer to the soft light and it will add a dramatic look in our image. Now press Ctrl Shift E to merge all these layers. So this is the before and this is the after. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos. Goodbye.